Jackson Ratima. Ride for Fit Bikes, Low Tech, Quentin, and ODI grips. I'm out here in San Jose today. Let's go check out this rail. Still trying to get a couple clips for this fit that I've been working on. I try to do switch gas. So this is my bike right here. Van Homan frame, 21-inch. The main reason I ride the Van Homan frame is because it got a high bottom bracket. The high bottom bracket is good for cookie grind so my chain doesn't get caught up all the time. I got the Fit blade forks, and Fit S4 stem, and sky high bars, some ODI long necks. On wheels, I got some animal rims laced up to the new Primo M4 hub. And in the back, I got a Primo mix laced to animal rim. Got these Fit 10 wall tires, Fit FAS. I got 2.3 tires because I just feel like it grips better, you know what I mean? Fit pivotal seat, Fit 25 tooth sprocket with some Fit cranks with the gold animal pedals to match my frame. And I got that shadow interlock chain. And yeah, kind of like long pegs. I got Fit prototype pegs. I guess my bike's built to grind, dude. Straight up.
Greater brothers got city jobs coming home from the service. The Panthers in the Bay made the whole world nervous. The white folks moved to the valley. We occupy South Central and Compton. Mid-city was stomping. Skip ahead to the blue and red. Streets got violent. A product of the dope game after watch riots. Hollywood made stars. The black economy shifted. Those that had versus those that didn't. Long gone were the days they used to pose and clip these black people. Exposed as niggas. The nature of the golden state, where the sun shines. The fame is a bigger trap than the one time. I'm from the city too diverse to gentrify. And Hollywood dreams have been
got the best bike right now, so it looks.